If you wonder what kind of the charger you can use with your Google Pixel 9 Pro, then let me quickly explain. So as you can see right here, I've got charger. It's actually from the Xiaomi, so this is not an original charger. And right here, I can find 10-watt charger, and it works. But on the box, we can find information that there's the recommendation. Wait a minute, right here. There we go, that we should get charger between 7.5 to 37 watts. But as you know, the maximum charging speed on this device is actually 45 watts. So we can even buy a more powerful charger and you will actually reach the highest possible charging speed. Of course, it's recommended to use the Google charger, but in my case, I'm using charger from my old phone, from the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, and this charger is actually compatible, and the cable also is compatible with my phone. But you have to also remember that not every non-original charger works. So as I said before, this Xiaomi charger is working, but I have another one, and this one is actually from Huawei, and this Huawei charger is not working with my Google Pixel 9 Pro. So just to be sure that everything will be fine, just go for the Google adapter. And you can also use wireless chargers, and it doesn't actually matter which brand you are gonna get. This is very cheap from the Amazon, and as you can see, it's working and it's charging my Pixel 9 Pro. So that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.